Hello everyone, today I am showing for digital stock for DS stock. Okay, this one for my script and demo I'm created for similar many website. So this one for product showing, I'm just gives user showing information. This one products, and this one for categories, shop page for all product for there listed here, and then for storage for seller listed there, all seller have been listed there. Become a store, you can anyone for apply, and then for admin approve showing. This one for label, user can easily purchase after for this criteria. Okay, this one for verified, this one for blue verified, 3 panel, anyone for purchase, seller and buyer. And block, this one affiliate marketing, anyone can sign up and share the link automatically for 20% earning. This one for shortcut, just copy here and paste it your website, and then I add automatically showing after 20% every sale commission. Anyone product or verified seller, anyone purchase automatically 20% for benefit. Okay, right now I'm showing for admin panel. This one admin here, just click here, admin notification showing here. This one for manually delivery complete. Okay, go to dashboard. This one for user dashboard, after sign up automatically $5 bonus. Okay, admin panel. This one admin panel, after all order for admin showing here, all order and label purchasing, promotion purchasing, they are showing for expire already, they are for expire already. Store promotion, they are already expire. Affiliate marketing, how many people for earning every day, they are for listed here. Manage store, for all seller have been listed there. Pending seller, approve, anyone for apply, and then for approve or reject. Verified purchase list here, anyone for purchase, they are for showing here. Deposit, this one for gateway, include all gateway. And for user manager, therefore all listed user, seller and buyer both. Payment gateway, this one payment gateway, this one for deposit, anyone for pay request send, I am example $100 transaction ID, this one, and approve admin, therefore listed available for wallet balance. This one for withdraw, anyone for seller request send, therefore accept withdraw showing here. All product listed there, all product listed there, anyone for product upload, admin approve, and then for product showing. Block messenger, anyone for message already showing here for admin all messaging. And this one ticket, I think for this one for issues. Okay, I'll fix very soon. This one support, so settings, yeah, all information there. Upload, you can setting information, and social media link here. Sign out this panel. Gmail. Okay, therefore our balance, I'm already add for balance, example deposit. Click here $10, $20, $100, and then select payment gateway. After next, this one for amount, payment gateway, all information there, and you can send the payment. And transaction ID, this one for copy and payment, and transaction ID they are listed, and submit or payment, admin approve, and then for available balance showing here. Okay, go to our panel. This one for seller dashboard, I am balance there for listed here, or my current balance, all sale, refund, they are all listed here for history. Promotion, therefore I am already product for promote, they are listed here. Okay, this one for sale, our sale, anyone for purchase, they are for listed here. I'm just for click here, and then for all information have been listed and submit or order complete. There are two type order, one auto, second manual, and this one for auto, not for user for work, automatically for showing. I'm showing here, don't worry. This one is stock management, and this one product. Okay, I'm showing this one example, and this level for 2 product limit showing here. 2 product limit, upgrade our package. I'm already 2 seller 1 level, that's why I'm at 2 product uploaded. They are already listed here. And go to this panel, become a store. So I'm already there, that's why I'm not showing here. See, this level for commission and 2 product upload, so therefore 2 product only allow, not for updating. Okay, just I'm edit here. Their title, Slack, image upload, category and subcategory. There are 2 for manual delivery, auto delivery. Manual delivery, you can select 1 hour, you can not 1 hour finish automatically for order cancel and refund. Therefore all listed information, description and all information there, and you can edit and admin approve, and then for showing here. So this one manual product, this one auto product I am showing here. Just all information in, just select auto and regular price, selling price, no worry. Just go back again, and therefore stock button showing here. I'm click here stock, therefore all stock for listed here. I'm just for Excel sheet copy and paste it, and then verified, and then for showing. Okay, I'm just upload, therefore upload anyone for their product selected, CBS file upload, and then showing here example. Just click here download and again upload, therefore see listed here, all verified automatically listed. About submit, 2 product for uploaded, new 2 product upload. See this one, new 2 product uploaded. Withdraw request, I'm already this one my balance, I'm sent for withdraw request after 50 or $50. This one block, and this one for support, anyone for purchase, or this one for free support and paid support. I'm showing here, don't worry. Go back again, then support, anyone for click support. This one 2 file showing, $5 for paid support, free support, anyone for select, and then information, and then for attach previous and submit. Support automatically open here. There I'm referral for order, there for order ID, store name, all information and message have been showing there. Okay, this one for verified, I'm just already purchase verified, this one current purchase. Anyone for purchase, we can purchase our purchase for in date, verified date, $70 balance. And for block, affiliate marketing. Okay, go to again, okay, 8 minutes, no worry. Go to product, and therefore boosted selling here, click here boost. These 2 products showing, premium or standard. Premium for random product showing after the home page 5 product, and premium all listed here, not random showing. Okay, I'm just select this one and all. Okay, just confirm. Okay, purchase have been confirmed. Go to home page. After few minutes, therefore automatically showing, this one automatically showing boosted product. Okay, again go to promotion, and for dashboard, anyone for there, don't worry. Just upgrade or promote, just click here promote to showing Gmail, promote here for from and $19, same random, and for just click purchase here, 2 file purchase. Okay, again reload. After few minutes showing here, don't worry. This one for promotion, therefore all running at already showing here, and then for running seller promotion they are showing here. and for all balance for history there I'm already. So okay, they are not still showing. I think this one showing. Go to dashboard and history. They are all history showing here. This one I'm to file promoted. Okay, deposit amount, level purchasing, all history they are showing here. This one dashboard and signing member. This one for my balance, current balance. There are two type balance: user balance and seller balance. Seller balance have been withdraw. User balance is not withdraw, only use. Total for product and all analyze information. This one product purchase and everything there listed here. And go to profile edit. Then all information edit here. Password change. Affiliate marketings. Therefore affiliate account. Go to copy this link and share anyone. This one for purchase user automatically for you showing. Okay, referral link account slash dashboard. Referral ads, this one for ad. After random latest anyone select and select for category or not select, no problem. Desktop 1 column, 4 column, 1 line showing, 2 column showing. Just copy this URL example, copy here, and any block is for ad automatically showing for these products. There I am showing here HTML. Just copy the link, this one for link. After publish, confirm publish, and for view, see this one for product showing. After click, referral link automatically for going. Okay, this one again reload. See this one for ad, there for showing for feature ads. See this one for box showing here for store. They are not showing think any issue showing here, don't worry. Anyone for product view, just open any one products. This one product open. This one auto delivery, $2 out of stock. Seller information. This one for related product, and this one for this one for promoted product, and this one for related product. And wish list, I am already saved wish list, therefore wish list showing here. Just click here, wish list. See 2 wish list showing here. So this one for our explain everything. Just benefit, therefore all listed benefit. After upgrade your package like VIP, therefore I'm already new where. After VIP, this criteria full after 30 days, and total sale 50, and total rating, they're all listed here. And then you can for easily for purchase this one. So if you are interested this script, contact me, I'll sell you. This one already showing. This website will be live. Why this one not showing here? They are showing for seller information but not showing. Okay, I'll very soon fix it, don't worry.